Ever wondered how a microwave can turn a cold bowl of soup into a steaming meal in just 60 seconds without any fire or glowing red coils? It's because the microwave is actually throwing a tiny, invisible dance party for your food. Inside your microwave, there is a special part called a magnetron. This part sends out invisible ripples of energy called microwaves. These waves are perfectly tuned to grab onto one specific thing inside your food: water molecules. Water molecules are dipolar, meaning they are like tiny magnets with a plus side and a minus side. When the microwaves zip through your food, they create an electromagnetic field that flips back and forth billions of times every second. Because the water molecules want to stay lined up with the wave, they start to flip and spin around incredibly fast. This great water wiggle creates a lot of friction. Just like how your hands get warm when you rub them together quickly on a cold day, all that molecule rubbing creates heat. The waves use oscillation to keep the molecules moving. That heat then spreads to the rest of your food through conduction, cooking it from the inside out. Because the waves are at a specific frequency, they pass through glass and plastic, but get soaked up by the moisture in your meal. This matters because it is one of the most efficient ways to cook. Instead of heating up a whole oven and the air inside it, the microwave sends energy directly to the food. This technology saves time and energy, making it a fundamental tool in modern kitchens for everything from popping corn to defrosting dinner.